Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Stored. In today's session, we are starting our brand new Python beginner series. If you have always wanted to learn Python from zero to pro, you are in the right place. This video covers the first topic, Introduction to Python, what it is, its history, features, how to install it, and how to write your very first Python program. So let's get started. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language used for almost everything: web development, data analysis, automation, AI, and much more. It's known for its simple syntax, readability, and huge community support. When you read Python code, it almost feels like reading plain English. That's one reason it's perfect for beginners. You can use Python for simple tasks like renaming files or for advanced use cases like building machine learning models. In short, Python is the language that powers the modern tech world, from Netflix recommendations to NASA systems. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and officially released in 1991. It was designed with one main goal: to make programming easy and fun to read. Python's name actually comes from Monty's Python Flying Circus, a famous British comedy show, not the snake. Let's look at some of Python's powerful features. Easy to learn and read. The syntax is simple, like everyday English. Interpreted language. You don't need to compile your code. Python runs line by line. Cross platform. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux without any change in code. Rich libraries. It comes with thousands of built-in libraries for every possible task. Community support. Millions of developers contribute to Python, so you will never feel stuck. Installing Python and setting up the environment. Let's install Python on your system. For Windows users, go to python.org, download the latest version, make sure to tick the box Add Python to path, click Install, and you are done. For macOS users, you can install Python using the same website or use the command. For Linux users, use the terminal command. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type Python -- version. If you see something like Python 3 dot some numbers, congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. Running Python scripts, there are many ways to run Python code using IDLE. This comes built in with Python. Open IDLE, type your code and press F5 to run. The second one is using the command prompt or terminal. Type Python to open the interactive mode or a run file with Python filename.py. Using VS Code or PyCharm, these are integrated development environments that make writing code easier with auto-completion, syntax highlighting, and debugging tools. The pro tip is beginners can start with IDLE or VS Code. Both are easy and beginner-friendly. Let's write your first Python program. Open IDLE or your favorite editor and type print hello logic stored. Now run the file. If you see hello logic stored printed on the screen, congratulations, you have just written your first Python program. What just happened? Printf is a built-in Python function that outputs text to the screen. The text inside code is called string. Every line of Python code executes from top to bottom. So that's it for today's video. We learned what Python is, explored its history and features, installed it, and even wrote our first program. In the next session, we will dive into variables and data types, the building blocks of every Python program. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logic Stored for more hands-on Python content.